Modern battlefields are more connected than ever, with drones flying overhead, military radios constantly transmitting, and electronic warfare systems competing across the airwaves. The radio frequency spectrum has become extremely crowded. In this environment, knowing who is transmitting, where the signal is coming from, and whether it poses a threat can make a huge difference during an operation. To solve this challenge, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems developed the Spectrum Dome, a powerful signal intelligence system designed to give military forces a clear picture of what is happening across the electromagnetic spectrum. The system continuously scans a massive frequency range from 30 to 8,000 megahertz, detecting, identifying, and locating signals in real time. Even in areas packed with competing transmissions, it can separate important signals from background noise and help operators identify potential threats. The technology works through a network of smart sensors that can be mounted on a single military vehicle or spread across a larger operational area. These sensors send information to a central processing unit, which combines the data and creates a detailed intelligence map of the battlefield. Thanks to its compact and modular design, the system can be installed on a wide variety of platforms, including armored vehicles, tanks, and fixed positions in challenging environments. When hostile forces launch reconnaissance drones or establish hidden communication links, the system can immediately detect their radio frequency emissions. Operators receive a clear visual display showing the location and direction of potential threats. This rapid awareness allows commanders to react faster and make informed decisions before an enemy action can fully develop. One of the most impressive aspects of the Spectrum Dome is its ability to connect detection with action. Once a threat is identified, the system can support countermeasures such as electronic jamming or coordinate with other response systems to neutralize the danger. Instead of simply finding threats, it helps military units respond to them quickly and effectively. By combining wideband signal monitoring, precise geolocation, and rapid response capabilities into a single compact package, Spectrum Dome gives modern armed forces a significant advantage. Whether operating in dense cities, open terrain, or remote regions, it helps troops maintain awareness of the electromagnetic battlefield and stay one step ahead of potential threats.